Hey, hi, Sakshi. Hello. Sakshi, are you there? Yeah, you are on mute, Sakshi. I think you are on mute. Yes. All right, guys. Let me start the session. Okay. So today is the demo, guys. Right. So in this demo, we are going to learn about the Scrum Master, guys. Okay. This session is for Scrum Master. So before going into the Scrum Masters as well, let me introduce myself. Myself, Manoj Kumar. I'm having overall 13 plus of IT experience. Previously, I was a software developer, like a full stack developer, .NET full stack developer. After that, I switched my career into management roles, that is into Scrum Master. So I'm working as a Scrum Master from past more than 8 plus years. And currently, I'm working as a Safe Scrum Master 6.0 and leading a team of more than 70 people. Right? That's a small intro about myself. And I'm working in MNC companies only. Due to still I'm working. So that's the reason I'm not saying about my company name. Okay. So I hope you understood, guys. Okay. So today, the demo class, guys. So why we are here to learn the Scrum Master, right? So why Scrum Master, Manoj? Why not any other developments or any testing teams or any AI tools, right? So many people don't like these developments. Okay. So just consider previously I'm a developer. So Manoj, why did you switch it? So at the time we have a lot of pressure on the developers. I have around 4 years of development experience. Okay, I worked as a lead as well for a group of 4 to 5 people. So we had a lot of pressure on there. So what I did is I just moved my career into Scrum Master. At the time also I just checked a lot of technologies at the time. So whatever it might be, product owner, I have to choose a product owner, BA, or any Scrum Master. So I feel that compared with remaining works, I just thought that Scrum Master is a little bit challenging part, and it's a very crucial and very easy to learn this. And achieving Scrum Master also is very easy. So why Scrum Master? Because Scrum Master will take care about his team members. Okay, he is like a mediator, guys. Simply, we can say that Scrum Master is a mediator. Okay, what does a Scrum Master will do? Actually, in IT companies, we are having different types of methodologies, guys. If you ask me, there are different type of methodologies. Manoj, I don't understand about methodology. I'm not from IT background. I'm from non-IT background. Can you say about methodology? Yes. Simple to understand. Methodology is nothing but a process. Okay. If you are aware of cricket, playing a cricket, okay, is a methodology. Why, Manoj? We are having a set of rules and regulations. Playing a badminton is a methodology, right? It is a set of rules and regulations. We can't implement cricket rules in badminton rules in cricket, right? So that is the same. Here also in IT, we are having different types of methodologies. So what are those, Manoj? Initially, first one is called, whenever the IT has been introduced, from there onwards, they are following the waterfall methodology. Just consider from 1990s, okay? From 1990s onwards, 1990, okay? From 1990 onwards, they are following the waterfall methodology. Before 1990 only, they are following the waterfall methodology. Was just consider, okay? If you are in the interview, if interviewer want to ask you, they will ask you from here on, what is waterfall methodology? Why, Manoj? It is 1990s. This is like old methodology. Why they won't ask the current methodology? Yes, the current methodology is called as Agile methodology, guys. Okay, the current methodology is called as Agile methodology. So Manoj, as a Scrum Master, we have to work in Agile methodology. Why they are asking about waterfall methodology? Simple guys. We have evolved from waterfall to Agile guys. We have evolved from waterfall to Agile. Okay? That means previously we worked in waterfall methodology and there are some changes. Based upon that changes, we we have introduced another methodology that is called as Agile methodology. Manoj, okay, understood. Waterfall methodology, Agile methodology. Do we have in between, do we have any methodologies or first one is waterfall and the second one is Agile? No guys, in between there are some other methodologies also is there, but those are not popular. Okay? Yeah, they are like come and go. Okay, just they came in the IT industry and they came out. Okay, those are like outdated methods. Can you say any other methodology, Manoj, apart from these two? Yes, that is nothing but V model. Simply, I can say that no one knows about this model also. I think, Survi, do you know anything about this V model? Survi,
Yes, Manoj.
do you know anything about V model?
I am not sure
Yes.
of knowing it, but I haven't seen this.
Okay. And that is the thing. Okay. We are working as a Scrum Masters also. We don't know some methodologies. Okay. Why? Because we haven't learned this methodology and we haven't implemented also. Okay. That is the main thing here. Manoj, only V model. Yes, there are some also, but I'm not sure about those. Okay. I'm not sure about those. But I have worked in this waterfall methodologies. Sorry, in this V model for one project. Okay, but that is not that much accurate. Okay, that is not much accurate. Okay, what we did is after from 2015 onwards we transformed into agile methodology class. Okay, Manoj, are you going to say all these things? Yes, I'm here to explain you each and everything from scratch, guys. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, no need to worry about it. I'm going to teach everything from scratch. Okay, so you can see here waterfall methodology. Manu, you said about V model also. Yes, if it requires, I will tell you. Just 5 minutes, guys. No need to learn about it. Like that, no one knows about this model also. Okay, why I kept means someone will ask you in a time, Manoj, is there any, or else if Surabhi is giving an interview, those kinds of Surabhi, do you know any methodologies apart from of waterfall and agile? We have to know something like. So that's the reason we are keeping it as an agile methodology. Sorry, waterfall V model. Okay. After that, when we go into agile methodologies, okay, we are going to learn about core values, 12 principles. Okay, these are heart. These four values and 12 principles are heart of the agile methodology. Yes. These two are heart of the agile methodology. If you don't know about these things, uh, trust me, guys, you can't survive in agile methodology like a scrum master. That much important. Okay, Manoj, everything is important. Yes, everything is important. Like you can take everything as a sum of the parts in our body parts. Okay, that much important, guys. Manoj, can we crack all these things? Easy. Okay, I will give you like a spoon feeding. Each and topic I will take every one day. If you want anything to know, I will give you a full clarifications on that for theoretical part in the outside of the market. So this is our recent batches. So 7/11/2025. Yesterday we had a class. See how many batches I was explaining. Here there are 4 batches. Here one, two, sixth day, fifth day. Right? This is 9:30 a.m. batch. Before you, I had a conversation with one batch people. Right? This is 9 p.m. batch. That is around 17 classes. Right? 10:30 a.m. So this is the demo classes. Yesterday we had a demo, right? So this is another person, right? 6:30 p.m., 6:30 a.m. So this is Wajid, right? These all people are getting learned, and these are all some of the people are non-IT, some of the people are transforming from what we can say developers to Scrum Masters as well. Some people are from some people are Scrum Masters also, like Surabhi. Surabhi is a Scrum Master, so they want to enhance their knowledge. That's why they are here. Okay, everything, guys. No need to worry about it. We are going to learn from scratch. Every topic will take one day. And what is the flexibility? Uh, if I want to learn here, okay, Manoj, okay, we are okay with you. What is the main reason we have to learn here? The thing is, like in my training, there is no time period, guys. The first one is I'm not going to keep any time period, right? Before I have a agreement with Sudhakar. Sudhakar said that Manoj, can you complete in 30 days? Yes, I said that we can have a 30 days, but it might extend also. He said like, why Manoj? Why? Because if student understand the day one, just consider day 13. Manoj, I didn't get about the day 13. I'm not sure about it. I'm going to explain on day 14, day 13th class. Okay, if you learn, if you understood the day 13 class, then only I'm going for the day 14 class. So that is the major feature. Phone level. Cannot speak phone level. So that is the major feature, guys, in my training. Okay, so if you understand this Scrum framework, okay, then only I'm going for the remaining topics. Okay, Manoj, are you going to say in a line way? No, guys. After one topic, after Agile methodology, I'm going to say four values. Manoj, after Scrum framework, are you going to explain the Kanban framework? No, guys. Both are similar frameworks. Okay, both are similar frameworks. If you learn Scrum framework full-fledgedly, I can explain Kanban framework in within an 1 hour. Okay, if you don't have, if you don't understand Scrum framework, how many days I have explained to you, that many days I have to explain this Kanban frame. I can guarantee you guys, I'm not going to say that much time because up to in my 5 years of career, I never explained a Kanban for more than 10 days. Just I have took only one day, okay, 1 hour or 2 hours. That is the max. That much effectively I will teach all the concepts, not only these guys, every topic. And coming to the documentations, as a Scrum Master, we have to do some documentations also. Surabhi, are you following 3C format or any description format, Surabhi?
Description format.
Okay, right. As per the interview, guys, if you say we are following the description format, no. As the Scrum Guide says that we have to learn 3C format, card, conversation, and confirmation. Okay, we have to learn for each and every ticket this thing, but ultimately in my company we are using the description format, but in the interview point of view you have to know all these things. Okay, not only these formats, guys, DOR, DOD, MVP, MMP, story formats for 3C, epic writings, all those things, guys, right? We are going to learn the prioritization techniques and estimation techniques, right? All the things we are going to learn from scratch. Okay, and coming to the Jira part, from here onwards you need to have a laptop so that you can practice it, guys. Okay, Manoj, okay, Manoj, you will say the class, I will practice in the home. Okay, guys, you will practice, I know that. Okay, but I will give you each and every day the home. Okay, why, Manoj? Why you are giving the homework? Because as a Scrum Master, you are not going to follow any of these things. Okay, but you have to know all these things. Okay, this is for your interview point of view, guys. Okay, as a Scrum Master, what I'm working, you are going to work on this Jira part. Okay, when you go into the organization, you are going to open this Jira. Just consider your time shift is around 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. From 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., you are going to sit, sit in front of your laptop and you are going to open this Jira board and you are going to check all the things. Okay. What my development team is doing. Okay. If we have a, if sprint is started, okay, just consider, let me show you. Yes. If the sprint is started, okay, what my team members are doing, just consider how many days this ticket is on live. Everything we are going to learn this. I'm going to explain you each and every topic. Okay, no need to worry about that much effectively. I will tell you. It's like a spoon feeding, guys. Okay, I'm not going to miss any topic. Okay, simply, simply whatever we are having. Okay, if you bring any other, Manoj, something is missing. Okay, I will tell you that part also. But there is no missing part in Jira. Okay, and day to day life, in my day to day life, what I'm doing as a scrum master. Okay, what I'm doing as a scrum master, I'm going to reflect to you each and everything. Okay, Manas, you said that there is some documentation part, but you are showing me only the 3C format. Where is that risk registers? All these things will be there, right? So where are those? Where are the burndown charts? And phone లేదు కన్నా ఆఫీస్కి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాడు నా ఫోన్ బుక్ చేయడానికి లేదు నా దగ్గర లేదు లేదు అక్కడికి ఆర్డర్ తీసు బాబీయా బాబీ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి ఇంటి దగ్గర ఫోన్ చేస్తాను సార్ right guys, so here's the situation guys. So the thing is like we are going to learn each and every topic. What I'm doing as a scrum master, I'm going to reflect the same thing. And what are the documentations I'm using, I'm going to give you each and every documentations. So Manoj, I have some knowledge on scrum master. We are going to use DOD and DOR sheets also, right? DOD and DOR. Yes. Are you going to provide this documentations? Yes, guys. I'm not going to provide this documentations. I'm going to make you to prepare these documentations. Surabhi, are you aware of this?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. Are you preparing or just handling this?
I have.
Yes. So these are very important, guys. Every sprint, every sprint. Manoj, what is sprint? Okay. Sprint is nothing but we are working in Scrum framework. Under this Scrum framework, we have to work in a time period. Time period is nothing but by weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We are going to pick some tickets and we are going to complete those tickets in a time period, guys. For that, we are going to prepare DOD, DOR, right? Acceptance criteria, all those things. Right, guys? Everything I will provide you guys with no need to hesitate. Manoj, can I survive in IT industry by learning this Scrum Master, whatever you explain? Yes. If you keep your hands on Jira, I can give you 100% guarantee. I can give you 100% guarantee, guys. If you keep 100%, okay, your hands on Jira board, okay, then only you can survive as a Scrum Master. Manoj, I will just listen. No, guys. I'm saying that you can't survive. Whenever I give you the homeworks, you have to complete those homeworks. I'm not going to give you one project, guys. If you can see here, I'm going to teach my previous batch. I'm the current batch students. Okay? I will give them some work, right? Based upon their work, see, now it is Suresh board. I have given him to create some projects. If you can see here, see, Suresh has created Amazon, Flipkart, HDFC, and SBI, right? So now I will give him some data. Based upon that data, he is going to work on these projects, right? Now, Manoj, I want to know some other person. Yes, Jagadish is there. I'm going to open Jagadish Zira. Oh, no. Here, I have to open here. Okay, if you see here, Jagadish here. Where is Jagadish Zira? It's fine. Okay, let's check another person. Like this person's. I can track each and every person's. How Manoj? Because I am the Scrum Master here, I'm going to call each and every person in my team so that whoever working, who is not, who are the people are not working, I can track their work easily, guys. See here, his projects and his projects both are not same. Okay, Amazon, Flipkart, HDFC, SBI. If you check here, Bank of America, Chase, Costco, Flipkart, Walmart, Wells Fargo. Like that, I will give you every day some tasks. Okay, everyday task in the sense every project you have to work on that. Then you will get some hands-on experience, guys. Okay, if you don't keep your hands, Manoj, I will do, Manoj, but I have some work. Okay, if you are a working person, I can definitely take it as a no, but you have to work on Saturday and Sunday. If you don't work, guys, you can't survive, right? Every day, if you keep hands on it, then what is this? It's a subtask, right? What we are doing? Yes, we are working on some modules. There might be, I'm working on a fourth module. Under fourth module, how many tickets are there? Yes, we have to expand it. We have to check it. How many are completed? There are two tickets are completed. One is in progress, and four tickets needs to be completed. Right? If I go to active sprints, how many are there? What is a backlog? How many backlogs are there? We have two backlogs: sprint backlog and product backlog. Right? What is story point estimations? What is this priorities? Right? What is more details and what is this more details and more fields. We have to know all these things, guys. How we are creating a subtask, how we are creating a bugs, what are the reports, how these reports are going to be generated, right? What is JQL, right? The heart, right? What is this JQL? Manoj, what are the components? How we are going to do releases, right? All these things, guys. Everything is important, right? Manoj, someone said that as a Scrum Master, you have to work on Confluence. Yes, we are going to work on Confluence as well. Okay, guys, we are going to work on Confluence also. Okay, it is deactivated. I will open in another dashboard and we can work on that. Okay, that's what we have to work as. And ultimately, we are going to learn AI as well. By using this AI, artificial intelligence, this Jira is integrated with AI also. In some companies, we are having AI. In some companies, we don't have AI. But we are going to learn AI also, right? Everything. Okay. And apart from that, we are going to do this deployment also. Deployment is nothing but releases. Okay, how we are going to do these releases? It might be a quarterly, half yearly, or by yearly basis. Based on that, we are going to do releases. How, Manoj? I will show you each and every topic. It might take 2 to 3 days also releases. No problem. If you understood, then only we are moving for the next class. If not, what we have to do, Manoj? I will explain again first. Okay, that much I will give you. That's why I can give you more confidence so that you can achieve your progress. Okay, any doubts in these sessions? And one more thing, guys, at the end of the sessions, at the end of the classes, we are going to learn about this safe as well. Okay, safe training like a PA planning as well. Okay, how we are doing this. As a Scrum Master, now I am maintaining 70 plus people. How, Manoj? As a Scrum Master, we are maintaining one team or two teams that is around 8 to 9 people. 18 people. So how are you maintaining this more than 70 people? I will explain each and everything, guys. No need to worry about. Okay, guys. Now, if you have any doubts, guys, you can ask me. It might be a silly doubt also.
Let me, let me share my screen also, buddy,
Yeah, sure.
so that once I complete what they will be getting, what are the documents they will be getting. So once I give an update, that then we can take the question and answer session.
Sure, guys.
So,
We'll see that.
so hope you people have enjoyed the explanation which Manoj has given, guys. So here, as you, if you guys join here with us, so what you are going to get here, we have Anjali. We have tied up with Anjali. She is an Facebook, LinkedIn, and resume optimizer. She will be optimizing your resume, your Facebook, and sorry, LinkedIn account and Naukri account, which will help you out in getting good number of calls. Apart from this, we are tied up with one of the company called mm, uh, Sanjeev.
Sudhakar,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. I'm getting company call. I
Yes,
will
yes,
join in 2 to 3 minutes.
yes, yes. Here we got tied up with one company called Delphi TVS HR. We are if they have any openings, they will come to us, and we will be sending your profiles to them. They will be taking the interviews, and they will be deploying you. Along with this, we people are tied up with Black and White Consultancy. 1 minute, let me show you. Black and White in Bangalore. This is Black and White Consultancy, Indiranagar. We are tied up with these people. So these people will also let us know when there are openings in their consultancy from other companies like CGI, Accenture. If anyone gives them any opportunities of finding the resources, these people will come to us before they post it in Naukri and LinkedIn. That is. And Shrestha Consultancy we have tied up with. So those people will also be coming with to us, and they will be asking us if there are any students from the Scrum Master and Cyber Security. We are also teaching Cyber Security. Yeah. So here, if you join behavioral interview questions, we will be giving somewhere around 50 questions you will be having. So this will help you out in how to behave in the interview and how to answer the questions. The tips would be given here. And then agile interview question and answers, 50 plus scenario based interview questions and answers you will be getting. These are the questions and answers. And 1 minute. Yesterday for Vijay, I have told you. Vijay, yesterday I told you, right? HR questions and answers we will be giving. We have tied up with Neha Malhotra. She is one of the top HRs in India. We have sat with her and we have prepared these HR interview questions and answers. Can you please someone read this question and answer? The first one. Can anyone read this question and answer, guys?
Yeah,
Okay,
I can go ahead.
please, please.
So, what are your salary expectations for this role? And the
Yes,
answer is determining salary expectations can be delicate balance. I didn't get what is this delicate balance. Okay, I understand the
let me explain you.
compensation should be competitive and commensurate with the role and industry standards. Correct. So, before
Mhm.
discussing expectations, I would appreciate more information about the full compensation package, including benefits and initiatives, to make an informed decision. This would enable me to assess the overall value of the company place on its employees.
Yes. So delicate balance in the sense it should be affordable for the company to take you in, and it should be affordable for you to take the take home salary. That is what delicate balance is all about. Here it is talking. So normally what we will say, if someone asks you, if someone in the company HRs ask you how much you want to take, you will say 30% on the present salary, 40% on the present salary, we will say. No, we should not say like that. We should say, we should discuss like what is your budget on the current position in this project. For this project you need to ask what are the perks we are going to get, how are you going to help me out, in going in taking in take home salary. For example, if you take CGI will say we will give you company shares to you. In the CTC, they will say if you are interested, you can take it. Else, you need to be in a position to bargain. You got my point, right, guys? So like
Yes,
this,
Manoj.
yeah.
Yes, Sudhakar.
Yeah. So there are 50 questions like this, and answers are given to you, will be given to you, which will help you out in carrying this HR round interview successfully, so that you can bargain and you can take classes. You can take this take home salary at the end of the month in a proper way, rather than losing, at least gaining. When you read these questions, what happens, you will be getting good amount of information, and you will be seen as a separate person in the crowd, because all of them will be saying 30, 40, 50%. That is not going to help you out. Listening to it, HR might think these people are also the same. When you answer like this, they would think, okay, this guy is an real time experience guy, that's why he is asking. So let us discuss with him and get him a good package, they will think. This is what, these are the documents you will be getting from us. And apart from this, for example, you people have started your career in startup company. For example, if you are in Capgemini, Accenture, Cognizant, CGI, those companies might be having their stipulated formats. So there is no need for you to build a new format. You need to follow their format. But if you are going to work in a startup company, so you need to prepare your charts. So for example, here if you see actual versus completed, actual versus completed is nothing but how many user stories are taken, or how much work is taken, and how much work is completed. If you see here, it will dynamically change here. Here if you see, did you see, it is dynamically changing when you change, when you are changing the values here. So there is nothing for you to do, just you need to take this, change the user story number and description, user story description, from copy and paste it from your Jira, and who is the owner of it, you copy and paste it, and take the comments from this owner, whether they have completed or what exactly it is, and then accordingly you put it here. Then automatically this board will be created for you. Okay guys, so this document would be explained and given to you. And then capacity planning and velocity planning, this document would be given by explaining the capacity and velocity to you, which is very very important. You need to change these things. That's all, only these things you need to change. Yeah, then automatically you will get the output of this, how many total productive man hours are there, you will be getting, so that you can find the capacity and velocity very easily. This document will also be given to you after explaining, after the explanation. And then BRD document, does anyone seen the BRD document till now? Anyone has the idea of the BRD document, what exactly it is? Manoj will be explaining you. This is the sample document which we will be using it for the demo classes. This is how it would look like, so that it would be very easy for you to understand what exactly the BRD document is. Business requirement document. Without this document, we will not be able to create the user stories, which is very very important. This document will also be given to you. Cause and effect diagram. See matrix. What is the cause of the problem? For example, if there is any problem occurred in your sprint, so what is the cause of that problem? What is the effect it is going to give you? That matrix will be calculated here, which is very, very important to identify the risk. So that's why we need to use this. This document will also be given to you. And then you people might be knowing fishbone diagram. Anyone knows fishbone diagram? Guys? Guys, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, Sudhakar, we are there.
Yes. So anyone knows about this fishbone diagram? At least heard about it?
Yes, I heard about it.
Yes.
Yes. This fishbone diagram is for identifying the problem in your project. This will help you out as a scrum master. If there is any problem occurred in your sprint, you should be able to identify it. This diagram would be explained and given to you so that it would
Risk
be,
analysis.
yes, risk analysis, correct. Checklist, fishbone diagram checklist also would be given like this. You need to change these things as per your project requirements. That is, this document will also be given so that it would be easy for you to get the things done. And few more documents are there. 1 minute. Meeting attendance sheet. You might be using it. Vijay might be using it, and I don't know about others. This should be, as a scrum master, you should be using this for daily stand-up
Yeah,
meeting, sprint review,
yeah, we
sprint.
are using.
Yes, correct. This one, as a scrum master, you people need to use it, which is very, very important. So that's why we will be giving this document also to you guys. That is one more thing. And then meeting evaluation sheet. I will challenge you, no one in this group who are there might be using this document. Have you ever used this document, guys? Vijay, Surabhi, Poonam, anyone?
Sometimes when there are clients coming up, or when there is an internal meeting or any business meeting, we use this sheet basically just to evaluate and get some feedback kind of. So exactly not the same thing, but it's very similar to this sheet we are using it.
Yes. So what is this meeting evaluation sheet? For example, sprint review meeting is done. So what is the output of it? Does we arrive the outcome of the meeting or not will be assessed by using this meeting evaluation sheet. This will help you whether the meeting is fruitful or not. If the meeting is not fruitful, then what we will do is again we will conduct the meeting. That's why meeting evaluation sheet is very, very important for us. In 99% of the companies, we are not using this. And if you are using this, your work would be much more easier. And then, 1 minute, guys, sorry. Meeting of minutes, everyone knows. So I'm not showing that one. Meeting of minutes. Yes. Prioritization matrix. This is prioritization matrix. What exactly it is? You need to prioritize your works. For example, you are there in the office and you want to prioritize your works now. So how do you prioritize it? This sheet will help you out in prioritizing your works. So what is the weightage of the work assessment criteria we will give, and what is the weightage of it accordingly? When we discuss it properly, we will get this, and then we will prioritize those works in this while doing the sprint planning. This would be much more helpful for you to make the things easy. Okay, this chart is very, very important. Few more documents, please. Yes, this is project closure is there, right? You can change it to sprint closure, and you can make this document ready, and for every sprint when we are closing it, you can prepare this and you can give it to your product owner. It would be very, very useful for you. this sprint planning, sprint closure, or feature closure. We will be doing it, right? That one at that time. Yes, coming to the legendary part of this is risk register. See, risk register is the most important document which we need to maintain. Why? Because if it is not maintained properly, automatically the thing is we cannot finalize the work, we cannot finish the work. That is, so see this here. When is the risk raised? What is the risk description? What is the risk effect? Risk cause? Existing controls can be done. See, what is the impact? What is the likelihood of effect? Risk rate? Like this we have so many things which will help you out in identifying the risk, and this risk can be mitigated. So this is very very important. This sheet also would be given to you, because we don't know whether you will be joining in the what we call it, startup companies, or in the any big companies. If you are working in any CMM level 5 companies, it is okay, they have their own risk register sheet and all. That is, this is risk analysis.
So, Sudhakar,
Yes.
yeah, Sudhakar. So basically, on this risk registration one sheet,
Yes.
we will be updating the minute level risks also, or the critical ones or highly impacted ones will be updating, or
Any
any kind
risk,
of
there are
any
two
risk
types.
for that
See,
matter.
I will tell you, there are two types of risk, buddy. One is
Yeah.
potential, and other one is non-potential risk. What is
Mm.
potential risk? Potential risk is the risk which is going to affect immediately to the project.
Yeah. Okay.
Non-potential risk is nothing but now it might not be affecting the project, but there is a chance of affecting in the future, either in
Mm.
2 months,
Okay.
1 month, or 6 months. Everything. If you feel it is a risk, you need to register it.
Okay. Got it.
It is very, very important. And you need to update this risk register in the daily status report and weekly status report,
Okay. Okay.
which is very, very important. Which is very, very important. And if you don't update it in the daily status report and weekly status report, then the management, internal and external stakeholder management, will clearly sue you unnecessarily.
Yeah. So that will
That
impact the deliverables.
100% it will impact. because i'm working
Yeah.
in because I'm working in Bank of Muscat. Till last 4 months back, I have come back to India due to visa
Yeah.
issue. So I was working now. I'm working now here from India right now. So risk management is very very important, and all the top officials would be having a eye on this metrics, risk analysis.
Okay.
If it is
Okay.
not maintained properly, guys, samjho you are out. That is skill matrix
Sure.
analysis. This sheet will also be given to you. Okay. So these documents would be given to you, and we will be working with you guys. That is. So any more questions you people can ask. We will be preparing your resume, and we will be preparing your LinkedIn and Naukri profiles. That is second thing. And the third thing is, once you get the job, we will be helping you out in on job support. Once you get the job, for on job support, 2 months we will be giving you. That is another thing. So now, if you guys have any questions, you people can ask us. We are happy to help you out.
So Sudhakar, one question here.
Yes.
Basically, very recently, I spoke with one of my friend who is working for with TCS.
Mm-hmm.
So he is saying that any this kind of roles, so like a Scrum Master or project management roles,
Mm-hmm.
nowadays people are or the companies are looking only for the technical point of view. So if the person has the technical knowledge and technical project manager or technical Scrum Master, so they will be hired on a priority, I mean, kind of conditional basis. So is that true that is going on in the market, or how are they going to select? I mean, basically on the skill set, or
Yes.
if we have the skill set, great skill
Yes.
set that is matching to that role with the Scrum, or do we really have to have the technical part?
For this, I would give you a good example. Recently, one of my student, Fayaz, he was working in Telangana state government in the minerals department, mining department. That fellow has resigned to his job and he came to us, and we have given him classes. Within a month, he got the job. He is not a technical guy. Nowhere he is related to software.
Okay.
Now he got the job in Visa. Mastercard and Visa card is there, right? If you want, I
Yeah.
can give
Yeah.
his number also. If you want, I can give you his number also.
Sure.
That is, you people can talk to him. So that's it is all what we call it, buddy. Fake propaganda is happening. That is the first and most with this thing. And I forgot to show you this one, buddy. How we will be teaching you this one, AI in Scrum Master. How you will be using the AI. I forgot to show you. For example, if you want to see a chart, sorry, I need to update the file, right? 1 minute, I will update this one. Actual versus completed, I have shown you, right? See here, this one.
Yeah.
Create a bar chart. This Excel sheet example I am showing you. See this, it will take to 5 to 10 seconds. It will analyze and it will create the bar chart here. Shrikant, are you understanding? Are you getting my point, Shrikant?
Yes, 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 Sudhakar.
Yes. Create bar chart. Sometimes chat GPT will also malfunction. Do you know yesterday these guys were there is a problem in the Delhi airport? Did you guys see?
I did not hear or see, Sudhakar. What happened?
Yesterday, in the this one, due to ATS problem, it is they have upgraded to AI.
Okay.
So AI was not working fine. So ATS was showing the location to the pilots that these people are there in Nepal or some other area, even though they are in Delhi. So
Oh,
that's why nearly 120 flights were cancelled yesterday. For past 1 week, it is happening. In Telugu media, it is not properly addressed. People who are going, see,
okay, okay.
this is not being properly. Wait, I will show you. I will 1 minute. I will copy this and then only this will work. Today, ChatGPT is not working properly. So sometimes AI will not work properly. So we should be little careful. That's why yesterday what happened? This AI was given by US. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's why yesterday's stock market, for them it has collapsed to 150 crores or something. Did you
Yeah,
get?
definitely it will have the impact.
It has created the impact.
So, Sudhakar, it means that there is no complete accuracy, right? I mean, even if you go with the AI part, it is not giving us the accurate results, no? So,
Yes,
in
it will
that
not
basis,
create.
hmm,
Right now, still we are in under the process. See here, still it is creating a lot of problem for us here. See
yeah,
here.
that's correct.
Yes, it is not working properly here. Sometimes it will not. Sometimes it will work. So it will take time for us to always. That's why we are making AI user friendly to you, as well as the normal practical classes user friendly for you, so that it would be easy for you tomorrow to make the things easy. If the chat gpt or perplexity or anything which is not working properly for you,
Sure.
that's the thing. And if you want to write the user story, you can write the user story. Write the user story for login to the email. See, it is writing the user story. As a registered email user, I want to I want to securely log into the email account using my credentials so that I can access my inbox and manage my emails. See here, writing the user story is very very important. Previously we used to write the same user story by discussing with the product owner and everyone. After 1 week we used to write. Now I wrote with user acceptance criteria in 2 seconds. This is this is how we will be writing the user story. But 99% of the things will not be happen with us. Why? Because it is being written by the business analyst. User stories are written by the business analyst. We will not write the user stories unless until we are working in some startup company. And whatever the classes we teach, those classes ppts would be given to you like this. For example, all these ppts: what is waterfall methodology, introduction, manifesto, like this you will be getting. See here, waterfall development, manifesto, pictorial form of
Yeah. So,
manifesto.
Sudhakar, one more question here.
Yes.
So, I'm using my office laptop. Okay, in
Mm,
office laptop is there because as Manoj was saying, we have to have the hands-on experience on Jira part. So
mm.
can we have the access for the any online platform where Jira is available just
Yes,
to
yes, correct.
access it for the classes
Yes, correct.
or
Here, see,
do I?
no, there is nothing. You can use the web login, Jira web login. You can use it.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm
Jira
talking
is
about.
a
Yeah, we have
web-based,
the.
Vijay. No need for that
Okay,
much company access. So usually we
sure,
use
sure.
like some third-party proxies, right? So try
Okay,
to, I mean, just try once, okay? Just try Jira.
I'll
It will
try.
be
I'll
easy.
try.
See,
Sometimes there are also restrictions for the office
mm,
laptop, so let me try this. In case if it is not working, then I can choose the personal laptop as well, Manoj.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Because Jira is very useful for us as a Scrum Master.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Remove
this
this
would really help
documentation. Before that documentation, we have to know all this. Why? Because at least many people, some of the people are not using any documentations. Okay, just they are
Hmm.
following the process. That's it. The
Yeah,
client needs the improvements, but some people
correct,
working with improvements plus documentations for reference. That's it.
correct.
These documentations are nothing, guys. These are for reference. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah,
it. Uh,
yeah,
don't think these documents are like a heart of the Scrum Master. No, those are for just like a reference only. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
This is how we'll be using. Shrikant, any questions? Karthik, any questions?
Yeah, one question from mine. So I
Yes.
guess it's not only Jira, like many companies are using DevOps, right?
DevOps, yes, they are using,
So
but
I mean,
I will tell
yeah,
you, Srikant,
Azure. Yeah.
yes, correct. DevOps, Jira is used in 98% of the companies. DevOps is being used in like 22% of the companies are using DevOps.
Okay.
So this is very, very important to learn Jira and Confluence. Jira is a project management tool, and Confluence is this one, what we call it repository, document
like an
repository.
integration.
See here, guys, how it has prepared. I will show you. Where is this document? Actual versus completed. 1 minute. See here and see this. See here, it is completed 150%. Here, if you see 150%, it is completed, is showing. And then here, if you see zero, fourth one, here also you can see zero. Did you see, guys?
Yes, Zakar, we can see it.
Yes. See here. So whatever we have given here, the same thing you are getting here. So chat gpt has created, see, this one you might be, if you want to create this one, it would take at least 30 minutes to create, people who doesn't know excel. But now there is no need to learn excel. Here just give the command, it has created it. Just click on download and share it to your team members or your manager or someone. That's all done. Did you guys get my point, guys? How we are going
Yes, yes.
how we are going to use AI, in by using the AI, how we are going to make our work easy, so that we can potentially work on the required areas rather than working on the boredom areas, like preparing the reports or preparing the something else. You can also prepare daily status report. Prepare daily status report, and you need to give little inputs, like, see here, overall summary it has given. See here, that one which I have given you, this one, it has given the daily status report here like this. Project user story tracking, who is there, prepared by Sudhakar, it is. See, total number of user stories, completed, in progress, blocked, not started. See here, it has created pending block tracker, progress overview, next step. It has created the daily status report in just 2 seconds. It has created. If you give the clear instructions, it will create it in the same way, which will make your life easy. Surabhi,
Yeah, very true.
Surabhi, are you seeing this? Poonam, Karthik. So all these things you will be learning here. This will make your life easy rather than making your work complex. This is what we are going to teach here. So now you can ask any questions. Now, any questions related? And Naukri is, I will show you in Naukri how many jobs are there in Naukri, so that you will also get some clarity. That is the only thing. Not now. Yes, this one. Scrum Master, and I am taking minimum 5 years of experience here. See here, did you see? 8,443 openings are there. Remote 194 are there. Hybrid 151 are there. All over India it is. If you see in Capgemini, if you see, okay, let me open it in Capgemini and show you what they are asking. Mm,
How about for 2 to 3 years of experience?
yes,
Because
I will show you. I will show you. See, Scrum Master and Kanban they are asking here and XP. So out of three, you people are learning two here. Scrum and Kanban, you people are learning. Risk, you are getting the risk information also here, which is very very important. Okay, and then here, what is roles and responsibilities are not properly given. Let me see if they have given. Product backlog, you will be learning. You will be learning the product backlog also. See, like this, you will be getting lot of openings like this. You want for 2 years, right?
yeah, basically Scrum Master will be like an experienced guy only, right? More, I guess
No,
mostly they.
no, no, no. If you have 2 years of experience, that is enough. See
Okay.
here, you people are called as people who have 2 years of experience will be called as junior Scrum Masters. See, project planning, daily stand up meeting, review, retrospection, sprint planning, release planning. You will be learning about the release also. Here, you can see here, velocity.
So here the junior Scrum Master also handles a team or
Yes, yes, junior Scrum Master will also handle a team.
okay.
They have to handle, no other choice. See, why they are giving a title called Junior Scrum Master? It is all because their salary is less and their experience is less. That is the only difference. Nothing.
So, Sudhakar, do we require any certifications again to be
Yes,
followed up?
yes. I will tell you, Vijay, for you, don't write your certifications. Why? Because people who are working in a company, please don't write any certifications from your pocket. Go to your managers,
Okay.
go to your manager and ask them that you want to write PSM1 certification. Get the
Yeah.
voucher, get the voucher. We will help you in completion of the certificate.
Sure. Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah,
Don't
we can
waste
do
your
it.
personal money. Don't waste your personal money unnecessarily.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Srikanth, Surabhi, if you want to write, go to your manager, ask for the voucher. Tell them, right, I want to write PSM1 certification. Don't write CSM1, CSM certification. Why? Because CSM certification is will be expired in 3 years. PSM is lifetime valid. PSM is lifetime valid. CSM is valid for 3 years. So please don't go with CSM certification unnecessarily. Again, after 3 years, you need to again upgrade it.
Sudhakar, it's only 2 years, not three.
Oh, 2 years. Now they have reduced it. Okay. Previously, it was 3 years. And once you have completed this course and you got the job and you people are working for 3 years, then what you might be getting a doubt of what next. You can go as a project manager. After Scrum Master, you can step as a project manager. When you work as a project manager, then you will be going as a project director. You can scale up your this thing position. And right now, we have Scrum Master openings not only for IT in manufacturing sector. In Chengalpat, we have this one, right? Vande Bharat train coach. So there, Vande Bharat trains have been manufactured by using the Scrum and Scale Safe. They have developed it. Volvo in Bangalore, Airbus in Bangalore, they are using Safe in manufacturing sector. Reddy Laboratories, Matrix, Philips, they are using Scrum in the medical sector. Insurance sector, Tata AIG, Star Health Insurance, Care Health Insurance, they are using Scrum. So Scrum is expanding in multiple sectors. Scrum Master is required. Guys, don't think that the Scrum Master is only for this IT sector. No, it is for only the IT sector. We have lots of opening, branches are opening, wings are opening actually for Scrum Master into different sectors.
Got it.
Even do you know that railways is also using Scrum? Do you know that, guys?
No,
Right?
I think this I'm just hearing from you only, Sudhakar. I mean, I have to search on this.
I will tell
If
you.
railways is,
I
yeah,
will tell. I will tell you how. They want to lay a bridge. In order to lay the bridge, what they are doing, they are constructing all the departments, that electrical, electronic, signaling, rail, civil department, everyone are coordinating together and they are working it and they are finishing the work in time, in less time. They are using it. Even this Amaravati is there, right? Andhra Pradesh capital Amaravati. In that,
yeah.
Chandrababu Naidu, CM Chandrababu Naidu is using Scrum.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yes, they are using Scrum. Because of that, all the departments, civil department, electrical department, water department, roads, everyone are involved in it. That's why they are laying the roads in such a way that there should not be any disturbance of digging the roads now and then and spoiling the roads for next 10 to 20 years. Everyone are
Yeah, yeah.
coordinating.
Okay.
Yes, Scrum has been introduced there also.
Scrum development, whatever the work we are doing, it will be done in accurate, and we can get the results before. After deployment, the results we will get, that is a secondary. Before deployment, if we have some results, that will make us to work more better. That's why agile methodology meant for. And right now in the current organizations, if you check anywhere, Vijay, you have said that you are working in, you're working as a developer. Are you working in agile methodology?
Yeah, we are using agile methodology. I'm the
Right.
PMO lead in Accenture.
Yes, but have you seen in Accenture anywhere they are using waterfall methodology?
Nowadays, it has been upgraded. I'm not sure whether they are
Yes,
using
yes,
waterfall,
yes.
but
The
in some of the
waterfall
interview
has been.
questions,
Mhm.
yeah, interview questions they used to ask on
Yes,
waterfall.
yes. Why? Because the thing is, we have moved from waterfall to agile, right? We have evolved from there. So you should have some idea as a Scrum Master. We don't use waterfall methodology, but you should have some
Yeah,
idea about waterfall methodology. What are the mistakes we
yes,
have done in
yes,
waterfall, and what are the improvements we are doing in agile? So that is the major things. We are mainly focusing on those areas.
correct, correct. Okay.
Yes. Any doubts, Shurabi?
Any questions, any doubts, you people can ask me. Karthik, can
Not
I?
doubt or question as such, Manoj. Just that what I am looking for is, I think, answered by Sudhakar and you. So it is just that I am looking for resume optimization that you mentioned. And then, like Vijay mentioned, that in interview they usually ask for technical background as well. So whether that is impacting or not. So I would say that if not technical, at least they ask for business analyst
No,
experience or so. So we
nothing,
must be
nothing,
knowing.
nothing, ma. Nothing. Business analyst, you should know about the business process, you should know. What is the product which they are going to develop, those things. So
Yeah,
Scrum
but
Master
even
is,
then, what they ask is whether you know to write a user story. If the requirement gathering is done by the business analyst or the product owner, whether you know to write the user stories or not, how is the acceptance criteria derived, or how do you prioritize things? So all these things, when you work in an MNC, I think a lot of responsibility is not on us as a Scrum Master. So
correct,
many of the responsibilities have been handled by different people. But
shared, yes.
when we try to switch to other organization, it might not be the same. So
In
we are
stand
asked
in
to take,
startup companies, in startup
yeah,
companies only.
yeah. Even in the MNCs, they ask for additional responsibilities,
No,
whether
no,
we know or
nowhere,
not.
nowhere, nowhere, because responsibilities are shared among different people and different roles and responsibilities.
Yeah.
Actually, the main reason for the Scrum Master taking is to concentrate more on the deliverables,
Hmm.
not on the derivables,
Yeah.
more on the deliverables. Okay, so don't get confused between deliverables and derivables. What we need to derive will be given by the business analyst. What need
Yes.
to be delivered will be decided by the Scrum Master.
But if we want to expand our role, or say if we are trying in some other organization, and if they are asking for an experience of Scrum Master along with business analysis, then I
Hmm.
think we should be knowing how to write a user story, or how to gather the requirement, or what are the techniques to gather the requirement.
See here,
So,
see here. User story. We are teaching how to write epic and user story.
hmm.
You will be learning it here. Epic and user
Yeah,
story, how to write. You will be
yeah.
learning it.
Yeah,
We will
that
teach.
is why I said I think most of my doubts have been clarified.
You see here. Invest method, which you will be using in writing the user story.
Yes.
Independent, negotiable,
Yeah.
valuable, estimatable, size appropriate, and testable. You will be
Mhm.
writing this. If they ask you also, you can. And user acceptance criteria. See, acceptance criteria for the user stories. We will teach you these things. In worst case, if you
Yes.
people got the
Yes.
job in
Yes.
stand-up company, startup,
And
yeah, please.
yeah, and the other thing that I had is, so I belong to a non-technical background,
Hmm.
and from there I have switched to Scrum Master role, or I was put into Scrum Master role, I would say.
Yes.
So with that,
Hmm.
when you are in a IT project management company, sometimes that I face on a real-time basis is that whenever they or my developers mention of some technical terminologies which are very new for me,
Hmm.
and those are a blocker for them,
Hmm.
I think I get confused in between
Hmm.
of who to reach out to, or whether I can resolve it or not. So
Hmm.
that has been a challenge for me
Yes. So at this point of time,
of not
always,
knowing the technical terminology.
yes, correct. So Ravi, at this point of time, what you need to do as a Scrum Master, you need to make a note of those terminologies in your notepad. After the meeting, daily stand-up meeting,
Hmm.
you need to talk with one of the senior developer and the product owner. What exactly this is,
Hmm.
whom I need to contact. They will tell you.
Yeah.
We don't know, right, who
Yes.
the dependency where it is on. So they will tell you, please go
Yeah.
and talk to so and so department and so person.
Yeah.
Then you ask,
Yeah.
take this screenshot, or drop an email to them, bring them to the meeting. When they are discussing, you listen to it, and obviously
Hmm.
after 1 month or after two sprints, you will be familiar
Hmm.
with all those technologies or terminologies, whatever they are using.
Yeah.
At least for 2 months you need to be proactive. That's why we are giving on job support for 2 months once you
Hmm.
get the job.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because as you raise the concern, yes, that this challenge would be there for the new scrum masters who are joining. So for them, we are giving 2 months on-job support. So that in case
Yeah.
if you are finding any difficulty to whom need to ask, how to ask, then we will help
Mm.
you out how to draft the email or how to draft this question to the concerned team so that it will be easy for you to withstand in the project for next at least 3 years.
Yeah.
That is.
Got it. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Karthik, any questions, buddy?
Sudhakar, I'm the same person who joined 9 o'clock class. Simply I
Okay,
joined.
okay. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, sure, sure.
Get so people will ask questions, right? So you'll get more knowledge. So I joined like just like
No
that.
worries, buddy. No worries, buddy. You are welcome. And
Hi Manu. Yeah.
one more thing.
Yeah, hi, hi.
One more thing. If you guys have missed any classes, you people
Okay.
can let us know when you want to join so that we will accommodate you in the next class.
Yeah, sure, sure.
That is, you can join multiple classes. That is also there. Daily
Yeah.
recordings will be kept in the YouTube and will be given private access to you guys for the lifetime. No one will
Yeah.
see it. That is.
Yeah.
Any more questions? I think Poonam, you are in a urge to go out. I think Poonam, are you there? If there is any questions, you can ask. Else we will. Yes, Poonam, we have finished the class. If you want to leave, you can leave because I think you need to go out. And rest, if you have any questions, you people can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Anjali.
Sir, uh, if everyone is clear with their doubts, can I brief about my
Correct,
services?
correct, correct. That's what. That's what. Please, sorry, Anjali, I forgot. Please brief.
Yes, sir, no problem. So,
Exactly.
hello everyone. I am Anjali Rathi. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I provide services with regard to resume building, content writing, LinkedIn, as well as Naukri optimization. If anyone is interested, like including fresher as well as experienced person, I charge for these services, but the charges are very reasonable as compared to the market trends.
No, no, no. Anjali, don't say this charges because I will be paying from my fees only. I will be paying to you.
Okay, okay, sir, no problem. Sorry for that. So if anyone is interested, they can contact Sudhakar sir for the same, and also he would share the sample work for
If
LinkedIn,
you are,
Naukri, as well as resume.
Anjali, if you are on your laptop, can you share your one sample resume? What how you built?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Just
I'll
for
share.
yeah, just for 5 minutes, buddy. After that, we can leave.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a time I have to open that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But just it will take 2 minutes only, sir.
Sure, sure, sure. Please.
Yes.
My coming batches are there, Anjali, who are there. They will be using your services. Who are going to complete another. Have you spoken with this one, that guy? Yesterday I gave you one guy number, right, Anjali?
Yeah, yeah, sir. I had spoken with him, and I'm in contact with him with regard to. He was actually he was also in. So yeah, also wanted to share that we also provide services for long term period also, because if you have seen that some people provide for one time service only with regard to LinkedIn as well as Naukri optimization, but we do provide services for up to 6 months to 1 year. The sample I would share, but we also provide services for longer periods, since you guys would be searching for switch in roles with regard to your job as well as looking for jobs outside India. So we do provide services with regard to that also. since in today's time there is a need for ATS compatible resumes, so our resumes are 100% ATS compatible, and we provide quality service only. I'll share the sample with you.
So, guys, what happens is, suppose you are looking for a job in Dubai or in UK or US or Canada, Australia, anywhere. So, we need to have a professional's resume as per their requirement. So we have hired Anjali. We have not hired. Actually, we are in contact with contract with Anjali, where she will be preparing. Her team will be preparing and giving a good resume. Yesterday, I think the what is his name, Anjali? I forgot that guy name. Reddy, some Reddy. I forgot.
Yes, sir. He is
Reddy.
basically working in Dubai itself,
Right.
and for the same role which you were sharing with us the presentation and discussing the Scrum Master. So he was in requirement with that role only.
Yes, correct. Raviteja, his name is. He has all. I think he's going to opt. I think right
Yes,
now.
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all these are included in the fees only, guys, and we are charging 20K for this.
So one more thing, Sudhakar, after
Yes.
completion of this course, within
Yes.
how many days we will be ready to get the calls and attend the interview? So any duration part on that?
After 20 days, we will have a mock interview. Once the mock interview is done, we will let you know how many years you can keep, you can project yourself. Accordingly, we will float your resume.
Okay, okay.
It is. See,
Yes.
in Telugu, there is a saying, right? Mokkai vangandi mane vangadani. So as soon as
Yeah,
possible, we will keep your resume into the market because you are learning it in the seat. If you learn, if you get a job, that would be much easier for you.
yes, yes.
Correct. See,
That's
she
true.
is explaining. She is explaining something, Anjali.
Yes, sir. So, sir, here's the sample resume. It's of a CA. We got him done, and this is the sample. This is one of the samples. Basically, I won't be able to display here all the samples, but if anyone does require the sample, so he or she can contact sir directly. I'll share as many samples possible for resume as well as LinkedIn and Naukri.
Yes,
Uh, yeah,
we can't.
so it's a detailed sample. Basically, this sample is of someone who is experienced. So that's why the resume is of 6 pages. Otherwise, for fresher, it's the requirement is not beyond 2 working pages. So it's the detail. I shared that so that you can get the quality of the service we provide.
One of our old student, like present continuing student, Ravi Teja, he is taking services from her now. He is working in Dubai, so he wants it. That's the reason. So
Yeah, got it.
got it, right? Yes, that is what, guys. Any questions we will discuss, else we will depart. Any questions, guys?
No
So
questions stuck up from my end. I think the session is very good. Pretty much covered all the topics like on a brief note.
yes,
So we're excited to enroll into this.
thank you, guys. So from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have 3 days free classes. Morning, Manoj, can you tell the timings?
Yeah, basically depends upon, I want to take, depends upon their feasibility, right? So if, yeah, can you take, Vijay, what's your leisure time? Based upon that, we can
So
decide.
Manoj, actually my working hours will be around 9:30 to 7:30. I'll be working on a daily basis. Okay, on weekly 5 days. So Saturday, Sunday, anyways, it's a week off. But after 8 o'clock evening would be an appropriate time for me mm, to have a connect.
Okay, what if it is 8?
Pardon?
What if it
Evening
is
8 p.m.
8 p.m.? Can you?
Yeah, 8 p.m. is fine. 8 p.m.
Okay.
is okay.
Okay. And Surabhi, what about you, Surabhi? You said 8 p.m. is okay for you, right, Surabhi?
Um, Morning, what time is the class?
No, no, no. Evening time. Evening.
Evening, 8.
Yeah, 8 p.m.
Is it only for the demo?
No,
Yeah,
no, no,
three
no.
days, 3 days demo
For
class.
3 days demo classes, we are keeping that time. After that,
Mhm.
if you are okay with 8 p.m., we will continue with 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Every day 1 hour, and every day we are going to give you recording. And after, I mean, after
Let
that,
me,
you can have all the sessions.
Manoj, let me tell
Mm,
you, only for these 3 days, 8 p.m. class we will be having Surabhi and Srikanth, Vijay, Karthik. We will be having the class at 8
No,
p.m.
actually, no. Actually, Sudhakar,
Uh,
tomorrow is Sunday, right? Let us go with the morning hours only. Better to have a morning session
See,
tomorrow.
Vijay, actually, most of the people might not be available because weekends, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
Surabhi might be going. He might got married, and she might be have to spend with her family.
Hmm.
So
Okay, okay.
let us not disturb people. We will have it from Monday, 8 p.m. for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Surabhi, Karthik,
mm.
and Srikanth will be having free classes. Once it is done, according to your feasibility, we will shift the class timings for you guys.
Yeah. So again on Monday, Sudhakar, I would be traveling,
Yes,
basically. So on Monday, I would face some difficulty of attending. Post
yes,
that, I can have a regular sessions.
sure. Uh, Manoj, can you take class tomorrow for Vijay?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, tomorrow we will take class for you, Vijay,
Okay,
for you
okay.
alone.
What time you like to have it, Vijay?
Anytime this hours, this 10 o'clock is also fine for me, Sudhakar, morning.
Yeah,
Okay, then I will
In
take
case, in case
tomorrow 10 a.m.
if you
yeah.
are okay. Otherwise, evening I can attend. It's no problem.
Same time, 10 o'clock with the same link. We will join
Yes. Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah. Same time, 10 o'clock we can join. We can
Yeah, with
use
the
it.
same link. In the same link, you can join.
Sure, sure.
Okay then. Okay then, guys. Shrikant, I will talk to you personally.
Sure, sure.
Sure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, thanks everyone then. I'm
Thank you,
dropping
guys.
off.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you, Vijay. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Surabhi.